Understanding the phrase, circle like a hawk. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. Circle like a hawk. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a beautiful layer to your English communication skills. So, let's spread our wings and explore what it means to circle like a hawk. First, let's break down the literal meaning. Hawks are birds of prey known for their sharp eyesight and hunting skills. When hawks are searching for prey, they often fly at high altitudes, circling in the sky until they spot a target. This circling action is methodical, patient, and strategic. Circling like a hawk means to fly or move in circles, emulating the hawk's hunting pattern. Moving on to the figurative aspect, when someone says they are circling like a hawk, they are usually not talking about flying. Instead, this expression is used metaphorically to describe someone who is watching something or someone very closely, waiting for the right moment to act. It can imply vigilance, readiness, or even a sense of predation, depending on the context. This phrase can be used in various scenarios, from someone waiting for an opportunity, to a person observing a situation very carefully before making a decision. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. In a competitive setting, during the sales, shoppers were circling like hawks, ready to grab the best deals. In a work environment, the manager circled like a hawk, ensuring no one slacked off during the peak hours. In nature observation, the photographer waited patiently, circling like a hawk, for the perfect moment to capture the eagle in flight. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in settings ranging from nature to the workplace. Using the phrase, circle like a hawk, in your conversations or writing can add a layer of sophistication and imagery. It's best used in contexts where observation, patience, and strategic action are involved. However, remember that the connotation can be slightly aggressive or predatory, so use it where it fits the situation's tone and implication. We hope this exploration of the phrase, circle like a hawk, has been enlightening and will help you add more color and depth to your English language use. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of English. Thank you for joining us today, and keep circling like a hawk for more learning opportunities on our channel.